is my favorite color. And today, let's see what is the significance of the color blue. Blue is one of the three primary colors in the RYB, which is red, yellow and blue color model. Blue has been an important color in art and decoration since ancient times. Did you know that blue is the color most commonly associated with harmony, faithfulness, confidence, infinity, imagination, intelligence, knowledge and concentration? Blue is also often seen as a sign of stability, reliability and trustworthiness. The color blue is commonly used to symbolize boys. It is said that the blue color gives one's mind feelings of calmness and serenity. Did you know that blue is the rarest color in nature? Like I said, blue is my favorite color. And if blue is your favorite color too, then you love harmony. You are also reliable, sensitive, compassionate, sincere, and imaginative. The color blue often represents cold temperature. As you might already be aware, the biggest mammal on our planet Earth is called the blue whale. And did you know a fun fact related to this? Well, although on the surface their coloring is more of a mottled blue-gray, blue whales look true blue only underwater. And of course, our sky is blue. And so are our oceans. Did you know that our planet Earth, is also called the blue planet? And that brings us to the end of our topic for the day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Wasn't it fun knowing about the different important significances of the color blue? I also hope that you join us on our other fun adventures by checking the videos on our channel. You can find the links in the description box below. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.